I've won no games today so far.
As it should be.
Shut up. Are you very smug, Louise?
Yeah. I think I won.
Jack wins. Well played. Good game. Thank you so much, Kat. It was really fun.
I'm happy.
I mean, I've lost. I'm very unhappy. I got very cocky, and now suddenly I have nowhere to go because Louise has blocked me.
I'm not desperate. And you don't have to say no every time.
I think you do, Louise.
Nope, it don't work. Nope.
Are you very smug, Louise?
Yeah. I think I won.
I think you won too.
Yes. Champion
Yeah.
of Glockness.
I mean, it fits. I'm Scottish.
You grew up playing like the tournament kind of stuff, which was just a part of the hobby that I never had.
Yeah.
I never had the sort of go on the weekend, playing that kind of thing. So that was really interesting to see over the playing hall. Like everyone, like there was a Digimon card tournament thing,
sick.
right? Which I didn't even know existed. That was so cool.
It was also the guy commentating as well. The
love
guy who
that.
was like hardcore commentating over a live stream.
Yeah. It's like a whole setup booth of like in a soundproof space with
It's giant, isn't it?
Giant like see-through soundproof booth.
It's amazing.
This is an all-ages, beginner-friendly role-playing game, like D&D, but it teaches sign language from the offset, so it's BSL and ASL. You start your character, you start by making a character, you play a Pendragon, which is like the descendant of Arthur and Guinevere, Arthurian mythology.
Okay.
And you kind of return to the islands to fulfill a pact which he made like centuries ago.
Okay.
And then you create a character, you start by finger spelling your name, so if you're called Adam,
Oh wow.
BSL.
Okay.
And that's how you start to learn finger spelling techniques.
I'm gonna re-roll that.
Okay. And you have to accept it.
Jack wins. I've won no games today so far.
As it should be.
Shut up. Okay, we got very lucky in Jamaica. It was a lot of fun. Really liked Jamaica. It was a really fun sort of like pirate game, which I was terrible luck at. You only won because you were lucky.
Because I was skillful and well timed in my mutiny of everyone else's pirates. So. Off the back of this, then, for you, like, what has been a really cool impetus for you that you want to do next with Project Expo?
I think the BSL RPG game was a really exciting game and was something about accessibility in the hobby, something new, but also like a bit like the hint of familiarity with the RPG stuff. I really liked that. Anything on this latter half of the day that you really enjoyed? What was your favourite thing?
I really enjoyed speaking to and seeing some sort of smaller business owners, and artists, and that was really nice. That it is, it's definitely a space for Warhammer. It's definitely a space for Catan and Ticket to Ride and all these massive games I love. But also, it's nice to be able to find those places.
Yeah.